Whether you are broke, burnt out, or maybe you're just tired of selling the same old Canva templates that, well, everyone else is selling online. And don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I am going to break down digital products that you can actually sell online in 2025. So let's get into it. Whether you're a student juggling a 9-to-5 job, or maybe you're just tired of those easy money trends that, well, don't really deliver, then this list is definitely for you. These digital products are low cost to make, high potential to sell, and yes, I am including FeetFinder in this list because you know what? Passive income doesn't have to be boring anymore. So let's start with the go-to digital downloads. Think of things such as personal planners, notation templates, Lightroom presets, and digital journals. If it saves someone time and makes their life a lot easier, guess what? They are going to pay. So you have one file, unlimited sales, and websites like Etsy, Gumroad, and PayHip make this a whole lot easier. Do you have a special skill? Package it up. Mini courses, PDF files, or even email templates. If you have something figured out, no matter how niche you may think it is, well, guess what? There is someone somewhere out in the world that wants your shortcut. Think how to pass an exam, land a brand deal, or maybe start a freelance business. Remember, knowledge equals power. And now here is the fun one, digital content. And yes, specifically, I am talking about FeetFinder.com. Yes, it's real. Yes, it works. And no, you don't need to show your face. So if you're already taking aesthetic photos and want to dip into a niche that sells, then FeetFinder is definitely your go-to. And you know what? FeetFinder lets you set your own prices, sell anonymously, and build a loyal customer base. So it is digital, low effort, and scalable, especially if you offer custom sets or maybe you pair it with some lifestyle content. People are making serious cash here, and guess what? The demand is still growing. And lastly, digital services that do not require you to be live 24/7. Think custom voiceovers, affirmations, AI-generated art, and personalized video clips. You can automate a lot of these things, and you can do it all on websites such as Fiverr, your own personal website, and you can even sell this on your own social media DMs. So whether you're building a brand or testing out a new side hustle, digital products definitely give you freedom. And if you are at all curious about FeetFinder.com, then definitely do not sleep on this. This is one of the few platforms where you can monetize something as simple as your brand new pedicure. So definitely go check out FeetFinder. So be sure to let me know down in the comments below if you have any ideas on your own digital products, or maybe you just want to know some of my favorite tools and platforms.